I want to talk about something important today: mean driving instructors. I've heard from student drivers who feel nervous, anxious, and even scared during their lessons, not because of driving, but because of the way their instructors treat them. Some instructors yell, lose patience, or make students feel like they'll never get it right. And that's just wrong. Now, I'm not saying all driving instructors are mean, just a small percentage. Most are professional and patient. That said, some students report having strict or impatient instructors, which might feel mean, but is often intended to emphasize safety. If you've had a bad experience, it might be helpful to switch instructors or communicate your concerns. Listen, learning to drive is already stressful enough. A good instructor is supposed to guide you, teach you, and help you feel confident behind the wheel, not make you feel like a failure. Now, I did have a student who told me he liked his instructor being militant, that he actually preferred the firm voice because that's how he learns. And I get that. Some people respond better to that type of instruction. But here's the thing. That same instructor, he made another student cry. There's a difference between being firm and being unprofessional, between being strict and being downright discouraging. If your instructor is yelling at you, making you feel uncomfortable, or discouraging you, it's time to make a change. You do not have to put up with that. Change your instructor. Change your driving school. Do your research. Look up reviews online. Talk to other students. Find an instructor who treats you with respect and actually helps you learn. Because here's the truth. A bad instructor doesn't just make lessons miserable. They can make you doubt yourself, and that can affect your driving for years. But a good instructor? A good instructor gives you the skills and confidence to drive safely for life. So, to all the student drivers out there, if your instructor is making you feel small, switch. There are better ones out there. And to the driving instructors who yell, belittle, or discourage their students, I have one message for you: do better. Your job is to teach, not to intimidate. Because at the end of the day, driving is about safety, confidence, and responsibility. And that starts with the right kind of instruction.